Hello everyone. 大家好. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today's topic is about the Chinese word, Chinese character 错. 错. 错 is a HSK level 2 and level 4 Chinese word. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are on YouTube, click the alert notification. Let's get started. 让我们开始吧. How to write the Chinese character 错. 错 has 13 strokes altogether, and the radical is 金, which means gold or metal in English. The component or the Chinese word on the right-hand side is 西, which is the English equivalent of past or former. In the olden days, represented by the Chinese word 西, people were paid in gold, 金, and thus was a mistake, 错, as it attracted robbers. Not a bad way to remember this Chinese character, isn't it? What is the meaning of 错? The meaning of 错 in English is wrong, error, mistake, or fault. This Chinese word can be used as a noun, a verb, or an adjective. For examples, 错怪. 错怪 is a verb. In English, it means wrongly blame. 错误. 错误. It's a noun. In English, it means mistake or error. 不错. 不错 is an adjective. In English, it means not bad. 错过. 错过 it's a verb. In English, it means to miss, like to miss a chance, train, etc. 没错. 没错 is an adjective. In English, it means that is right. 错字. 错字 is a noun. It means wrong character or misprint. Chinese phrases using the Chinese word 错. 你把福字写错了. 你把福字写错了. You have written the Chinese word 福 wrongly. 写错 means written something wrongly. 你的文章里有很多错别字。你的文章里有很多错别字。You have misspelt many words in your article. 错别字 means wrongly written characters. 你找错人了. 你找错人了. You have gotten the wrong person. 找错 literally means found wrongly. 你打错了. 你打 错了。You have gotten the wrong number. 打错 literally means hit wrongly. 我错怪你了，对不起。我错怪你了，对不起。I'm sorry I have wronged you. 错怪 literally means wrong, blame. 年终大减价，不要错过。年终大减价，不要错过。Don't miss out on the mid-year sales. 错过 literally means wrong, miss. 谁没有过错？谁没有过错 ？Who does not have faults? 过错 literally means pass wrong. 不是我的错，为什么我要道歉？不是我的错，为什么我要道歉？ It's not my fault. Why should I apologize? 错 means fault or mistake. 他做了很多错误的决定。他做了很多错误的决定。He made many wrong decisions. 错误 literally means wrong, mistake. 就是这个地方，没错。就是这个地方，没错。Yes, this is the place. 没错 literally means no wrong, which means correct. 他因为犯错，所以被老板开除了。他因为犯错，所以被老板开除了。He was fired by the boss because of the mistake he made. 犯错 literally means commit wrong. 做错了就要认错，做错了就要认错。If you have done wrong, you have to admit it. 做错 literally means do wrong. 认错 literally means admit wrong. 这个主意很不错。这个主意很不错。This idea is not bad. 不错 literally means no wrong, which means not bad. 知错能改，善莫大焉。知错能改，善莫大焉。A fault confessed is half redressed. When someone makes a mistake, it is good that he admits and corrects the mistake. 知错 literally means know wrong. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。